YouTube, what's up? It's Khalil Mechanic back with another video. Like I said, 2023, a bunch of consistency, and so far, so consistent. So, here's another video for you guys today. The TintMobile is going to be going to the dentist. Why? Because it's getting new teeth. Because that grill finally came in the mail. It's going to be the top and bottom black mesh grill. I got it off eBay for about $157. So I hope the fitment is good, because I've seen all types of options. I've seen some where it was just the top grill for that price. Some where the bottom grill was like $100. Somewhere the two together were like $2 and some change. So I don't know. We're going to find out. I'm going to open up the box real quick, see how the new grills look. And that's pretty much going to determine if I have to take the bumper off or if I'm able to just get them on out of there the easy way. So stay tuned. So like always, favorite purple razor. Throw it back over and watch it to make sure I hit a rag. Oh, yes, sir. A nice shiny black. Looking at this, I'm pretty sure we're going to be taking the bumper off. There are mounts here, which pretty sure I probably can't get to from the inside, but I'm going to try. And a bunch of clips down here. Not really worried about breaking the old one because it's the old one. But if I don't break it, I'll definitely post it up for sale for a very cheap price. And there's the bottom one. These things look really good. I'm probably gonna have to take that bumper off. So let's start with the top and see what we can do and see if we can avoid taking a bumper off. Oops. Well, the grill's not for sale because every single tab just broke. It didn't break, I broke it. But if somebody wants this thing for free, they can definitely have it. Just drop a comment, I'll be watching for it, and you can have this thing. I like that a lot better already. halfway done. Gotta take the license plate off. Ouch. Well, most of these tabs made it, but I'll still make this set free if anybody's interested. All right, so there we have it with the final outcome. It definitely looked better with the hood open just because this part wasn't showing. So I'm definitely gonna order some gloss black wrap for this, like right after I end this video, because this just throws it all off. But I am definitely pleased with this look. It's like a nice, it's a hard plastic. What else? So I think that's all I have for you today, but I'm going to also attach a video of me wrapping this black. I'm actually going to reach out to a friend of mine who wraps cars around here. Check him out on TikTok. His name is Savion, but his username is 716 Savage Wraps and Tints. He does the same type of work as me. But I'm going to see if he has some wraps so that we can finalize this project. But other than that, I give this grill a 5 out of 5. The fitment is perfect. The installation was easy, although I would say I did it wrong because I broke these tabs, but it's my truck and I also didn't care about this stuff. So definitely, if you're interested in these grills, reach out to me. Shipping will be covered by you. I'll also show these things. So these tabs are still good, but these don't hold it in place. But pretty much every single one of these around is broken. If you have a way you can fix it, by all means, go ahead. If you would like me to just take this GMC off, because I can safely remove that if you want. It's all you. And then for the bottom grill, 3 of the tabs at the bottom are good. 4 at the top are good. Both of the side ones are good. So again, if you want it, reach out to me. The chrome is a little chipped here and there. I mean, it is a 2012, so whatever, but that's that. Stay tuned for the wrapping of that little tiny chrome part. All right, so we have something special for that top grill piece, as mentioned earlier in the video. We are going to wrap it black with just an extra fine touch with the help of Kathy at Castle Banner and Sign. She's gonna get me right. I came here for the GXP decal that's on the car a couple years ago. I came here for the red decal If you ever seen it on the red GXP I had before, I've come here for quite a few things. I came here for the decals that I used to put on those sneaker boxes that I used to make. Pretty much everything. So if you want some good quality vinyl wrap, definitely stop by Castle Banner and Sign. But stay tuned for the project that we have in the mix right now. Understand, people, when you're getting something done, no matter how big or small, the price is the price. If someone tells you a price, it's for a reason. You're not just paying for material. You're paying for time, quality, materials,
paying to
and
keep
profit. All right, so I just got back from Castle Banner and Sign with the black wrap and extra detail for this tiny chrome piece. While I was there, she ended up finding it on eBay. They sell this part black like the rest of this, which I just couldn't seem to find when I needed it. But that thing alone is like $90 plus shipping. So we're looking at $100, and I'm all for paying for stuff. Like, you know, price is the price, but $100 for a piece of plastic like this is ridiculous. So let's get this thing taken off, cleaned up, and wrapped up. Yeah, $100 for this is fucking crazy. And it will never be me, I'm sorry. So, I'm gonna start with cleaning this thing because, of course, a very important thing to wrapping anything is cleaning it. It's gonna help with any little bumps, dirt, and debris, and how well the film or wrap vinyl sticks to the surface. Just gonna spray it up with some tint juice real quick. Both sides. Probably should have cleaned it while it was on the truck. That way it's easier to hold it, but whatever. Definitely want to be careful, or not careful, but make sure you clean the edges really good. Edges is one of the most very important parts because that's where wrap is going to want to peel at, especially the corners. I'm going to also get the heat turned on for now. Get it nice and warm in here, because another thing that's important is the temperature while you're doing wrap. You want it to be in a more so warm rather than cold environment, because cold and adhesives do not get along together. Alright. Attempt number 1 failed. I'm a temp man, not a wrap man. That went pretty well. Then from here is just gonna be a bunch of stretching and wrapping. I didn't do the best with it. You see I got a couple air bubbles in here, but that's also from the blemishes that the this chrome trim has. I'm not really too worried about it. I mean, it's kind of just an experiment type of thing, but I'll end up correcting it again when the weather gets warmer here in Buffalo. All right, so I finished up with the wrap, and from a distance, it looks great, but up close, you can tell that I am not a professional wrapper. I definitely have several bubbles, but no shame to it. This was just kind of a practice type of thing. Got a nice one right here. I know it's probably gonna bubble up a lot more when the weather gets warm, but again, I'm not too picky about it. It's not the end of the world. What really matters is the last detail that I have to put over it, which is this TintMobile. It's gonna be in matte black, while this is gloss black, so it's gonna be one of those fine details that you have to see up close, and it has some gray shadow accents. So I'm gonna get the tripod set up and get this thing installed real quick. At least this part I know I'm definitely gonna succeed with. This is not rocket science, so let's get to it. And there we have the TintMobile. Definitely pleased with the outcome. I didn't really know what to expect, like as far as the black on black, just the whole wrapping idea, being that, you know, that's not really my specialty, but I'm definitely satisfied with the work I got done here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much to say about it. So if you enjoyed this video, again, if you like the TintMobile, have any thoughts, comments, or are interested in these old grills, definitely drop a like, subscribe to the channel, comment, and let me know everything. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day.